Hello everyone, I'm back with another tutorial, and this time I'm going to teach you how to make a gold ink. So the materials that you need is a gum arabic powder, and then a small amount of water, a gold pearl pigment, an empty glass jar, a small spoon or a stirrer. So you need to take note of the ratio of pouring the pearl pigment and a gum arabic powder. So you need to follow the 4:1 ratio. So in this example, I'm just estimating the amount of pigment that I'm pouring in the glass jar. So it should be 4 times pearl pigment, and then just pour the same amount of gum arabic powder once. So that's why it's 4:1 ratio. 4 times the amount of pearl pigment, and then one time amount of gum arabic powder. So you have to stir them together. And then estimate the amount of water that you're going to pour. So if the ink is a little bit thick, you need to pour more water. But if it's not, if let's say the ink is a little bit watery, you have to pour a little amount of gum arabic powder to make it thicker. After that, you have to test out the consistency of the ink you created. I'm using a black calligraphy pad here so I can easily see the consistency of the ink. So in this tutorial, I already like the consistency of the ink that I made, so I don't have to make any adjustments on the ink that I just created. So I bought this item from the Craft Central, which is a local store here in the Philippines.